Ko talaga si Charlotte. No? So, I'm especially, medyo kinabahan na ako, nakita ko si Mrs. Tabio, sabi ko patay. Talagang may mga lalabas na hindi dapat ilabas. You know? And thank you, Charlotte. Yung mga nakita nyo, mga kamag-anak ko from far places na. I mean, most of them are from the States. And yung classmate ko, kinikwento ko nga sa inyo, yung nagsalita na yung sa kasal nila, naging MC ako. Sabi nga rin, walang iya ako kasi sinabi ko talaga na kalokohan ng ginawa ko sa kasal nila. So, kinakabahan nga ako baka gumanti. Anyway, thank you so much. And Dumaguete is now my home actually. And I want to thank you for accepting me as part of your here in the community of Dumaguete. And I thought of coming here this weekend just to, chill out lang, tahimik, to be with friends, you, lang, kita lang tayo, pero I never thought to have a party like this. How is the feeling of 5-0 and having a party? I feel, I do not know, but I don't feel it. What else I could say? Baka ano pa masabi ko, thank you so much po. It was really a blessing that you come here and you became my friends and the family. Thank you so much. Thank you, Charlotte. Si Charlotte may nagagawa nito. Hindi ko kalain. Yeah, thank you.
Music maestro.
Salamat.